In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 match on Fox One YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. Now in the search box, type in Fox One and search for it. Open the official Fox One channel and check the channel's homepage for upcoming live events and match schedules. During the FIFA World Cup 2026 tournament, selected matches may be listed as upcoming live streams, allowing you to see when games are scheduled to begin. When a match goes live, simply return to the channel, click on the live stream, and start watching directly from YouTube. Keep in mind that availability may depend on your location, and these broadcasts are generally intended for viewers in the United States. In addition, some live matches may be restricted to viewers with a premium membership or a specific subscription package associated with the channel. If required, follow the on-screen instructions to subscribe or activate the necessary access before kickoff. New users may also have access to promotional trials when available. Once a membership is active, you will be able to enjoy live FIFA World Cup coverage directly through the official YouTube broadcast. And that's it. This is how you can easily watch FIFA World Cup 2026 matches on the Fox One YouTube channel. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.